Ki Khubor Ka Bate Se TV. Lawan Rashapi Taka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Okay. But you see, there's such a thing. I think you are well aware that it's a constitutional body as well, right? And they have made a statement. So if you are not happy with it, then why don't you go to say a petition or something? You mean everyone coming and standing out here, you expect them to do things like this? It's your purpose because the donations are being in other maybe like, try to get an appointment. After policy, not the fight. After the presentation, appointment. All that has been done. One hindi ki which one is I can hear it's quite peaceful. I have come here. One can be real. One minute, you don't come I'm just a lord order. I'm not a PSC. So I have to know who's here. Maybe you want that is the first important. Lagi kita what is happening in India. Sekarang MCS tu come and push the government MPS tu come and push. They went against the ratio ke BTI. People bilang untuk kan apa the ratio apa orang price dan orang like 1 to 2.5. Would like to change 1 to 1.5. How is that possible? You cannot choose the game in the middle. Kata dia batai itu. Ini lah batai. He now want to justify that he on. They strongly feel that the don't take position, and there is some high hand money. You see kalau kita open, but still yang ni. Kita perlu. Kalau kita ni nak buat, kan kita apply. Ibu nak balong balagi betul. At the same time also I am not studying not go by I'm just here to ensure that there is no breakdown of law. Kata kamu dah ni kan? Ayah ada kerja ni. Kamu one akan. Itu when breakdown of the law another we have you want me they can write me but plus you want me kita mungkin kan 14 hours kita ultimatum I understand, but do you have the authority to give an ultimatum officially? This is officially. We have. Yes. You. We are the citizens of the basis. This is under the everything under control of the public. We are here to touch the public. If they are doing something illegal, no. When you use the word ultimatum, no, it's not a subjective word. It's an objective word, right? So there must have been some basis for the ultimatum also. So on what basis? Presentation to the about Surat German anak kajian bagi anak sedang dia beri hab anak ini tiba dia nak selesai mencuri akal itu kecil nak mana. Well, I think you made your point also. I think everyone is here, media here, the citizens of Meghalaya. Like if you go by violation.
Hadirin Bekakasi Students Union Director Shaka Office Jaka Meghalaya Public Service Commission hadirin melakut kesahu prakenta kumbala aipor Chairman Jaka Commission ulakot ekran ni genoilam Jaka KSU pan penbet jika jing mamisot ho jengmon. Hadirin belami na kamera jun Chairman ke MPSC Usama Ruben Najar ubabat kumu Chairman Jaka Employment and Monitoring Cell Jaka KSU ulam magajinga ki kelong ke job namar baka MPSC kelakular badang nisha khamar kan penipat ba yaki mak bagi samlawat kam kiyo hakapor bagi tho examine ya bakim Julia Brosh kata ulam bagajing penipat ba yaki mak kan penhun ni samlai ke betho yaki exam namar balada kidan ki bam sngo hon yaki mak bagi yo kilaban phapet biang sasisian ka KSU kelada waru bana ka benta ki kam ki bahab hapo ka grade B but grade C deben I bet shakito ki bala bantho ya ki exam om ban hab banda khot ya ka personal interview khana ma ka thong kam thong jam kan long ka bakhoi hende le tho bu chairman ja ka MPSC le tho ba ya ka interview la penya ka kum ki kendon la ni rukam ba julia ka UPSC Hang taru ke KSU kelebuk jeng kelibiang dah keboang bak UPSC. Habak penlong personal interview kali harengkat ke jeng ringdor dah ke kamera. Hendri belipat ke MPSC ke tiang banle kumbeli ke UPSC habak ke shim interview yagi kam MCS bat kuwe pat kikam.
Jika kendu mentang sengi bau chairman joka MPSC, kumbang ila kumkaseng bakal adawa ba don kam dia ka MPSC bakal pelat iki marks jong baru ki candidates ki ba apply ke MCS nakaliang joka chairman joka MPSC bu secretary kila idon lang bakila kubur ya kata bakila ong bak sibet janmi hi kita pelat no iki marks jong baru ki candidates ba apply inan namta kan kam MCS ya kitu ki bala pas ba kitu ki bampat ba kamyo ru ya baru kin pelat ke marks te kum kaseng ni labu sakawi ka mat jingdawa ka badai bat ka kam MPS kumba PE ba ka official notification jong ka MPSC kalong ba kin khot interview tangi ap ki khot interview tangi art nyungut Henry kini ban khot kumba sapar sapulai ngut kal kum ka ratio halor tai bentang nilai ekran nilai sat Henry kadwai nomor ba idon illegal complication ki ong bakin ipor ki kindiat singi kindiat wakenta bakin sapentip ingi hadin janmit halor kata kabenta kaseng kal yaiban ba don kambet ban khot ya ka interview kat kum bala buh ka advertisement pait kumachu batai pimo mentala don ki political appointee kindon bet kani katai kandon bet ka jingya kajing kongo daladon ki minister ki bapa ki ni kwa ba ki members ki bodan hapok MPC kidi bandon ya kata eligibility criteria ka babiang nanta kumnu pila ban conduct examination kumnu pila ban perkhat kumnu ban penbiang ya commission aba pika qualification jok pika bat dia pipin conduct exam juki MCS juki MPCS yani ka qualification jok pipat pidi tang graduate kata kapot biang tinggi kwa bak ka system jong ka MPSC kadi ban change gidon kam reform ya ka MPSC Henry kum kini kijingja kindang aja si aja man kapor nomor ba to hakani kenti bamta ngilay obat ya Henry gidon pat bun ki ba balada bikini kiat senam balada ba ki don kini kijingja ki ba turmur ki ba bakla tang kumanga batai pi ba kat ka MPC kadang don kajing bakla clerical era haba ya kapus ka biki om ka deban yo art post ki advertise tang sipus ngintip kata ka kajing bakla ni ka kajing lek kenang ende nakaliang juki ki pini ba kadon kum kata ka advertisement kadon kum kata city na ka department ba kidon art ki post ende kum kini kajing bakla kum ka seng ngin la ban snap bat kidi ban rectify nakaliang jung chairman ru ula kongo ba unsa rectify ya kajing bakla ka jungki saki lat patai kubur buat ning yai pet ya kata dei hakabadei buat ke kajing jawa ka bakong santam ko jini kadai ban pelat iki marks na kalian ke MPSC kala kubur ya kata ba hakabadei ka post statistical officer kipen pau ba kadon ke jimbakla na kalian ke jungki kum gaseng nimla ban chanya ba kumnu ko kar kum ka MPSC kadang la ban bakla ki ai daw ingi ba ki ong ba ka advertisement kadi namta art post ni ki baklab ki kadon ka clerical era na kaliang ka juki baki advertise tang kawai ka post na kaliang geseng ngim suhon ya kata ni pha pini ki kot kisla boro bat ki ong makin sa pha ingi bat ngindang yai up ya kata ini jingle ijongi mentas ni ini tang idak ibarat tam ban persio ya ka MPSC ba nang ni syakmat ngimdi banyu i kini ki jikundrum kini kiji kundung bedam nakapor sakapor ngi bagi juan bagi kena ba apply kam kijumat nakapor sakapor ini ditang ijing le ibarat jongi ban penkendet thia ya ka MPSC baja ka sarkar hikum ju hendrai ngan ong yo pikawai ba kum kini kiji kundung kendram kidang yai don bet namar ba kat pot reform ya ka MPSC kat badang don hi ki chairman ki executive members ki badai ki political appointee kum kidi jingja kidang yai long nakapor sakapor nakaliang kaseng kini kindiat sngi ngilit bu ya ka jingdawa kamat sarkar cela
bangindawa badon kam ban reform ya ke MPSC kibabun menta kimat ki banengkong banweng kita ki political appointee boro bandon ka eligible leaders ka babiang hakipus MPS baper ni bak recruitment kawan sisien di kisan senam sisien di kispo senam endre ni ong ba kidi ban manusnam ni dawa ba balik kita ki UPSC candidates kim jumi na po ka jilla ka jungi kumno kin mi habatang ka MPS ru ki MCS ru ki mi sisien san senam kani ko lokop ka training ground ni bakin crack ya ka UPSC tingin dawa ba ya ka MCS na mi shakmat di ban pinmino manusnam bat kiwi ki benta ba bun sini ki advertisement la sandrius nam ya ka post kim jula pan pendap ni dawa ba nang ni shakmat ba ki advertisement ki balat hapo sis nam di bandap no recruitment process but dang don chu kiwi ba kini kindiat singin bu kay ka jing dawa ka jungi akhmat ka sorka pet kum ka sinjam ka mentas ni dawa ka wai ba ki di ban pelat ya ka max lada ki kena kitip ya ka max jong lojong kinti ba unu ba biang tamanyo unu ba duna unu ba kumikum tai te kajing pni je ki marks kajing pela ja ka marks kadai ka wei ka form of transparency ba ka MPSC kam don kanu ka jingburi lada ukna ne ka kena kai I ba ka marks ka kaduna hende kat kum ka jing stu jong ka pat kala le ba kate ba kai ka yo ka marks kala ban file ka RTI ne kala ban wan kli jing kli na po ka MPSC kita kidi kiwi kimat ba kan wanra ya ka jing khut ka jing suba ka tungkam tungjam bat ka bangi la yo mentasi bakin pelat ki marks kada kadi kawin ki jingchom kini kindiat sengiru ni ba kum kaseng kala persya ya ka jing tungkam jong laispa absan teliki staff nurse hatu kopor bala pelat ka DHS ni I ba kadon ka jing kendram hatu kopor ni lik kendu ya ka director jong DHS hadin ka tu kila cancel no ya ka interview hadin ba cancel ki interview ki advertise ka post ki pelong ya ka written examination but menen ni iya ka result jong written examination haba ki jet kita ki nurse ki ban let ka personal interview but hantangi ha ka tu ka list ni ba ka DHS ka pelat bat kerteng bat roll number bat marks ti kini ki jing dawa jong kaseng ban pelat ka marks kanam kandon ka jingkhu jing subah ka tungkam tungjang kala sang gaiwan ini di sinjam ibeningkong kum mangala batai di kidang bun ki bangi kum kaseng indawa in sabu ya ka dokas akmat ka sorga ki sini ban pendu ya ka personal interview ka badi group B group C bat support ban pelong mandatory ya ka kamera personal interview on camera nam tagi group A ya ka recruitment nadu ka di advertisement di ban pendap no hapo sisnam bat kiwi ki benta bangi kum kaseng sadawa ka makasoka gini ki sing ban kanu ka department kadon ya ka jong ka official website ka jungki te kini ki apply kamru ki apply link baka website ka jungki te ka maksu kin penlat di ka official website kin penlat skilat patai board tung ta boro kin te ki ka badon ki ka baja kumbaga ongai pi ka MPSC menta ka jit yaki babat kam haki MCS ki MPS baki wiki ka rekrut aba pi pimdan ka eligibility kriteria ka babiang pi pimdan ka qualification ka babiang kumnu pot pintelunnya ka kam tingi kwa ba ka next ki banwan ki members hapo ka MPSC ki day kita ki bri ki ba abiang qualification nang ba kilaban ai ka babhatam sapo ka commission tai di jigdawa na kalyang gujung pait ya kata ngila ekran inleng ni nakalyang jong chief minister ula batai ni ba ka MPSC ka follow ya ka UPSC pattern hendrei ni ong ba ki follow ya UPSC pattern tang hakanam ne hakaleta and spirit namar ba kat kum ka UPSC ka personal interview ki lebe under camera hendrei ya ka MPSC pat kamdon ya kata ni patai shy ba beli fitiang ya ka camera ki ong ba ngiting baki ya ka credibility ya ka integrity jong MPSC hindi ong ba ada pipi khut penting beli ya kata dan ka penting kata ti ya kata ru di wi mat bengin yo bangan keren bat nakalian ka MPSC ong ba namar ba kimpot sim ya discuss halor kata hindi kinbu ya kata kita dawa ke jongi bandan penen ini interview mentagi grip di bilang bayan kamera kinsim ya kata kara hadir